What's good for? What's good for? I'm here at Saboa Latin street food. I'm about to go ahead and get some food. I'm getting street food. But let me get in here and take a piss because I got pissed real bad now. All right, be back with you. Peace. So we got the street food here. Street food. I'm gonna try the street food. Then they got some drinks here. So I'm gonna get some drinks too. Not no bill. Something special though. Let's see what we're gonna get now. Okay, folks. So I got the gordita street food and the elote loco. It's a corn. And I also got the drink. I'm looking up because I don't remember the names. I got a Cuban mojito as a drink. So the gordita, the elote loco, which is I guess it's a Latin corn. So it should be delicious. Should be delicious. So I'm waiting for my food, waiting for the mojito. Hey man, I'll be right back with you, man. Enjoy. And look, they got a little mural of the city. I don't know what the hell that mountain is right there. It ain't probably a mountain because we still ain't got no waterfalls coming from it. But you know, you got the Dick building, got the glass building, you got the True Lion building, which used to be the Wachovia building. And the RJR smokestacks over there to the right and everything. Yeah. Nice. So they brought me the elote loco out first. This is the corn. I'm about to taste it right now, man. But I gotta flip this camera over and show y'all, man. For real, for real. Let's see what it be. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I got the gordita, chicken gordita, and the mojito, the Cuban mojito right there. Yeah, let's check it on out. Let's see. Ooh, is it? This mug is big. Goes all the way down. Got beans popping out the bottom. Oh my God. Try. I swear sometimes these restaurants, they need to put more liquor in their shit. It's straight though, but I'm about to get to eating. Be right back with y'all answers. Peace. So, I'm about to try the famous Marie Sharp's habanero pepper sauce. I hope I don't regret this on my gordita. I'll be eating the hell out of that shit. Let's get it popping. I'll open it with one hand. Let me put it in my leg right quick. Got it. Oh my gosh. Let's hope I do not regret this on the toilet. So y'all see I got it on here. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah. Not too bad. I feel the heat though. God damn. You can tell you much alcohol in that house. Suck that down. I think I'm handling the habanero pretty good. Pretty goddamn hot. Yeah, but everything is marvelous. Saboa, Latin street food restaurant. Oh my gosh. Put some more on here. About lost my damn mind. I'm about to have my actual reflux acting the goddamn donkey. Oh my God. All right. So all in all, it's decent. I got the Latin music playing if y'all can hear it. Gordita good with the black beans, chicken, cilantro, and tomatoes, and damn. Oh man, I'm fucking around with y'all. I'm over street food, Middle Street, right off Stratford Road, 5 Points. Same complex of Whole Foods, across the street from Publix. Y'all come check it out. You get your drink, you drink your cerveza, cocktail, street food, Latin music. Winston, North Carolina. Doing it real big. Peace.